How to fill tax payment on Amazon Associates. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to the site affiliateprogram.amazon.com, and then it will land you on this official page of Amazon Associates. Over here you will get to see the option where it says tax information. Click on it. It will lead you to this page. In this page, what you need to do is fill up some of the informations that is asked here. Firstly, it says, what is your tax classification? Let me set it to individual. Similarly, answer all of the questions given below. Now enter your tax identity information. Firstly, enter your full name and then the country of your citizenship. Enter your mailing address and also enter your TIN value. Once you have entered all of your informations, tap on continue. Now select the location of the services performed and then scroll down to the bottom. Enter the full name and the date. Once you have entered, tap on save and preview. Your tax information will appear. Now what you want to do is simply tap on exit interview. Now click on payment information. Now you can fill up your tax payment by entering the detail of your suitable payment method. Once you have entered, tap on save changes and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is how you can fill tax payment on Amazon Associates. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.